Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As promised, we are going to show you some AirPod accessories that I just picked over Amazon, and I really think that these are pretty darn good, for the best bang for the buck. I so when you buy your AirPods, they come up like this, right? But the bad thing is that they get scratches, so they get really scratched up very fast. So this thing was not available to me for like before. I didn't purchase this. I went and bought this one. Now this had a, I think all my AirPod got more scratches because of this, because I had to take this out all the time and I could not put it back. So it's very hard, like just to put it back. And then when it's like this, you have to keep it out like this and open this. I mean, like, which actually made, oh dang, I was just about to break my AirPod. So which actually made like this as trash. I just don't want to use this anymore. So basically we are not going to talk about this. Then comes this. So I picked this on Amazon. I'll leave like a small description link below. Now watch this. So the case actually fits very nice and soft on the AirPod, and then you just close the lid like this. And then what happens is that with one flick you can open the AirPods, just one flick. So I mean, that's pretty insane. Now to charge, you have a special like a hole out here so that you can charge your stuff. And look how solid it looks. And they also gave me a carbinger, like just to hang it around. I usually do not carry this all the time. I carry this in my backpack just in case like I run out of charge or anything. So that package actually included this one. Let's keep this aside. Now let's talk about these two hooks. Now these two hooks, I'll show you how to put it on your AirPods and stuff like that, and what it actually does. It actually, if you're going to the gym, you can actually use this and your AirPods will never ever fall out from your ears. This one is a tiny hook that connects both of your AirPods, but I think this is revolutionary. So you can actually now carry your AirPods to gym just by using your Apple Watch Cellular, because Apple Watch Cellular doesn't even require your phone when you're going to the gym. So you can listen to Spotify and like Apple Music and stuff like that. By the way, if you're wondering where did I buy the band from, I'll leave a link also for the band. I also I got this one from Best Buy, so I'll leave a link for this on Best Buy. So this is how it looks. Isn't this beautiful? Now I have made a small clip for everybody of you so that you guys can see it yourself. I tested this out today in the morning. I went to different locations. I did different movements of my hand. So everyday movements like getting out of the car, driving a car around. This never even fall off. I mean, like literally, it never even falls off. Like you can keep on doing this, but nothing falls off. This is my best accessory. I think this is revolutionary. This tiny piece is what you need to go to the gym. So whenever you're running or anything, this is not going to fall off also. So let's quickly open this up, take our AirPods out of this. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we are going to take this and we are going to put this now out here. So this is not it. Hold on a second. That's how it looks. It looks solid. And now you got an ear hook. Basically, if you want to carry it to the gym, you can actually put this thing on your Apple Watch, like this. Insert this in the Apple Watch, and you can wear this and go around and like walk around. Whenever you're walking, listening to music, you can take this out or anything. Also you can make like a tiny hook around with this thing, put this thing together. So on a perspective, I think this is my best 4 essential accessories that you might need for your AirPods. Even if other forms of AirPods are coming up or anything, I still would suggest to get this one. Guess what the price is? Only $12. I think shipping, if you're having Amazon Prime, it should be free. For $12, I mean, like, this is a best deal, I think so. This on the other hand, I bought for like $20 when AirPods first came out. I bought this for 20 freaking bucks. Doesn't even do anything, scratched up everything. This is a piece of junk. I'm not even going to use this anymore. This is my biggest recommendation, guys. I love these accessories, and if you think that my suggestions were helpful for you, And if you think my whole effort was helpful for you, please do sign up to my channel. It's a small channel. I would love to do more videos, like in the future. So thank you a lot, guys. Thank you for tuning in with us.